Hyfore is a precision engineering company that specialises in bespoke work holding solutions for manufacturing industry. A majority of our work is based upon bespoke work holding fixtures for machining applications of a variety of materials.
So hydraulic and manual you cover?
Hydraulic and manual fixtures, correct.
So what sort of sectors does this business work for?
Hyfore covers predominantly the automotive, aerospace, construction and fluid power sectors. At present we employ 30 people with a plan to increase the number of employees through additional recruitment during the next 12 months.
So there are many jig and fixture work holding manufacturers in the UK. What makes Hyfore different?
What makes Hyfore different is the fact that everything we do is bespoke. We don't sell a standard product within Hyfore Engineering. Our main focus has been to solve a customer's work holding problem, and this can start as early as the design of the product. We make significant inputs to our customers with regards to the design of the product with regards to work holding. So design for manufacture, location and clamping the workpiece consistently.
So rather than a supplier just coming to you with a casting, you would discuss with them prior to them manufacturing or designing that casting the best way to produce it in order to get the best work holding solution?
Yes, at the prototype stage we would take the discussions with the customer to evaluate the casting for its machinability and look at the design to see if we can influence it with regards to adding additional features or changing the shape slightly of the casting to improve clamping and location.
And is that design done here in-house?
Yes, what we do is we would take a customer's model or drawing and we would add features to that and discuss that with the customer. He would then discuss it with the foundry and from that we should get a final design.
And then from the design, so from the design to manufacture, is all of the manufacture done in-house here at Hyfore?
Yes, it is.
So everything from the boring, CNC machining, grinding?
Yes, all of the services that are required to produce that fixture are completed in-house. And as you rightly said, it can be rough milling, boring, drilling, tapping, gum drilling, jig boring, surface grinding, cylindrical grinding, until we get a finished assembly.
So Hyfore also fully supports the ETG group of companies in a lot of their machine tool installations?
Yes, we get involved in the application, machining application and work holding for the customer's product.
So that would include full turnkey projects?
Correct.
Tell me about your customer base.
We have extremely strong working relationships with our customers. To my knowledge, we've never lost a customer. They always come back to us.
So if you are looking to increase the turnover here, obviously you'll need to cope with the manufacturing involved in that. Are you looking at any increasing any capacity at all?
Yes, indeed. We have an ongoing investment plan for new equipment, which includes CNC machine tools, grinding machines, etc.
So you obviously manufacture or design and manufacture the bespoke work holding solutions here, but what about for clients or customers looking for more standard products?
If a customer requires a chuck or a vise, a tool holder, then we would refer him to shop ETG, which is another group company, and they look after marketing and selling of all standard product.
So you can basically cover both scenarios?
Completely.
So with the business looking to achieve the growth, how are you going to actually do that?
We're going to do that by offering our clients a prototype machining service. This will enable us to develop the work holding fixture for the specific component along with the customer and then take that through to a final production.
So you will offer not only the design and the manufacture of the jigs or the fixtures of the work holder, but actually the machining process as well.
Correct. We can have not only development of the fixture, but the work holding process and the CNC program. So there's very little that the customer has to do.
And important to mention, Hyfore is part of the ETG group. You've had, or you were explaining earlier, you've had a very successful year this year. What is a successful year?
A successful year is, in monetary terms, 2.5 million on 30 employees and increasing. And another important factor is increasing the number of customers we do business with, so introducing new clients.
So over the course of the next year, when we look at the turnover you just mentioned, which is significant for a business of this size with those employees, your expectations are to exceed that?
Yes, our expectations are to exceed that and hopefully get to a 3 million turnover.